Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you very specifically how to find your best smile angle. And this will be a tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video. If you want to find your best smile angle, this is the video for you. It's a simple tutorial. I'll be going over a couple easy steps, so let's get into this, okay? So essentially what you want to do is you want to get 3 pictures of your smile, okay? So you want to smile and take 3 pictures. And for those 3 pictures, you want one of them to be just forward facing, directly looking at your face, straight in front. So smile and take a picture like this, straight in front, okay? And then smile, take a second picture with your left side facing the camera, like that, okay? And we're not going fully like this. That was a bad example. Not fully like this, like more like that, okay? And then smile, and for the third picture, get your right side facing the camera. So 3 pictures. First one, looking straight at the camera. Second one, left side facing the camera. And third one, right side facing the camera. And for the side ones, you don't want to go fully to the side, just like a little bit of an angle like that. And like that. And obviously the camera's on the wrong side for one of them, right? So you're not gonna go like this. It's just because my camera is actually seated to my left right now. So that would be the left one, like this. That's why it looks more natural, right? And then I would move the camera to my right and I get my right side. So once you have those 3 pictures, what you're gonna do is you're gonna look at them and you're going to analyze which one looks the best. And I'll tell you what you're going to look for. The main thing you're going to look for is naturalness. Because it doesn't matter how you smile. Some people smile bigger, smaller, wider, more narrow. Doesn't matter. The most natural smiles look the best. So you're going to look for which side, okay, which angle out of those 3 options looks the most natural. Okay, you're going to look for the natural look. Okay, once you see, which one looks the most natural, you're going to look for symmetry. Is it symmetrical? Because obviously all of our faces are asymmetrical. We have different imperfections. You're going to look for, does it look somewhat symmetrical? You're looking for, anything that doesn't stand out in terms of symmetry, right? Does it look like decently symmetrical? Like I said, all our faces are not symmetrical. We are all asymmetrical, but you're just looking for that angle. Does it look like pretty symmetrical? Is there anything that stands out as like massively asymmetrical? And honestly, even if I was on my side and I thought this side looked the best, right, on my left side facing the camera, and it looked the most natural, I would choose that. Because even if it was asymmetrical, honestly, I wouldn't care. I'm secure enough that I wouldn't care. If there was some huge asymmetrical thing, I wouldn't even care. I would still choose that side. So honestly, my opinion is just choose the angle that looks the most natural. But if you have, issues where you're not as secure as I might be, then maybe look for at least decent symmetry so you feel comfortable about it. You're like, no, you know what? It looks natural and it's pretty symmetrical. It'll make you feel comfortable, okay? But definitely the natural is the main component. The symmetry is just, honestly, if you want to feel a little bit better about that angle, okay? And lastly, you're just going to look at that side, at that angle, and just ask yourself, do I feel comfortable? Do I feel comfortable with this angle as being my primary angle for smiling for pictures, right? And the answer should be yes, because you look natural. It's a natural smile. You look great, honestly, and you're okay with the symmetry of it. The answer should be yes. Okay. Now, in addition, I do want to say this: when you find your best angle, so I'm going to say my left. I smile. I think I got all good angles. I look good like this, like that, like that. As I said, I'm super secure, so I think I'll look good at every angle. I even know, I just thought about this. I have a beauty mark over here, right? And I don't even like to see it in pictures. It doesn't even faze me. Anyways. So once you find your best angle, you're going to find the exact sort of where you should be within that angle. So my left, let's say it's my left, right? I can go like this, like that, like that. That's all left right here. These are all left, right? So I'm going to say this is too much to the side. This is basically almost straight. So I'm going to go in the middle right here, like that. Okay, so you're going to find the exact head tilt angle. And that's it. That's how you find your best smile angle. However, one thing I will say is this: you're not always going to get to face the camera at your best angle. So just like when you're doing this, you should also realize, wait, with all 3 of these pictures, I look great. I feel comfortable taking a picture and smiling at any of these angles. And if that's the case, which it should be, because you look great, absolutely, okay, then, then at least you also feel comfortable taking a picture and smiling at any of the angles. You found your best angle, but you're good with all of them. Anyways, that's truly it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. I got nothing else to say, so we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.